Hey, how's it going, Internet? Got another interesting piece of equipment on my bench. I've never worked with medical equipment. This is an AutoScopeHead. Basically, you hook an apparatus up to this end. That's a little camera. There's a little bit of chips in here and stuff, and then video out, RCA, believe it or not. And looks like power is inputted to this circuit through this mount. So anyways, this unit is kind of, I expected military grade equipment, but basically this medical stuff, same technology as what I work with consumer electronics. The problem is this RCA jack rotates, it's intermittent connection. In there I'm going to solder it, make a good connection again, and I will solder the ground sleeve here as well so it doesn't rotate. That was a little tricky to get apart, but once I figured it out, it was easy. Anyways, never had a medical piece of equipment on my bench before. This is an AutoScopeHead for veterinary service. Take care, Internet. Okay, so I managed to use my soldering iron and very carefully soldered the center electrode back to the connector, and then I also took my soldering gun and connected the ground sleeve to the mount so it doesn't rotate anymore. This is actually better now than it was from factory. Should give years of service. Okay, another thing I did is I touched up the 3 solder joints that attach this jack to the printed circuit board. And now there's more solder on there than from factory, so this should work great. There we go. It's all put back together. My first medical instrument repair, a Welsh Allen 23110. Yeah, so basically it's a camera. It's also got a built-in light source. And yeah, it's kind of cool. It looks like it hooks up to other instruments so that you can probe animals and stuff. It's for vets. Anyways, there's the power input. There's the RCA jack for video output. I unfortunately marked a little bit up the case trying to figure out how to get this thing apart. You know, spread it open a little bit, kind of took a look, realized very quickly, you just unscrew this bottom ring here and it splits on the bottom. A little bit of glue to loosen up on the top, but basically a little bit of marks, but I got it apart and back together, no problem. Unit still be fully functional. So there you go. Anyways, the Welsh Allen AutoScopeHead. Take care, Internet.